Hello traders, hello investors, how are you doing today my friends? Welcome to another video here in the Finance Hydra channel. My name is Nathan and today Tesla is dropping nearly 10% right now. It is a very catastrophic scenario. Price action wise, we are losing the support level we mentioned yesterday and we have a lot to update. We have a few thoughts to update. I'm gonna do a complete analysis on Tesla right now. So if you are my subscriber, remember my dear friend, click on the like button to support this channel, to support me when did I ever disappoint you, right? I'm always trying to inform you guys about what's going on Tesla, and if you're new around here, consider subscribing because I do daily videos, daily analysis on Tesla and on other stocks which you might find interesting. Now, back to Tesla. Let's start analyzing the S&P. Clearly, Tesla is weaker than the indices. The S&P is likely below the previous support level, May 12 support level. There's still time to react. If you ask me, there's still time. If on Monday we see very good, but it must be a very good bullish candlestick pattern above this support level, if we see that, okay, I believe we're gonna bounce back up. But so far, I'm totally neutral. I don't believe it is worth to bet on a reversal right now at this moment. The Nasdaq index, on the other hand, the Nasdaq looks way more stronger to me because we are still above at this support level. And guys, any reaction, even if it is not a good, amazing reaction, any bullish reaction at this support level might indicate that the Nasdaq index will do a double bottom chart pattern. If this happens, it would be a very good reversal. But again, if this happens. So far, there is absolutely nothing indicating that this will happen. We can't predict the future. As far as we know, we are in a bear market and tech stocks are just supposed to keep dropping. Now, back to Tesla. It is a catastrophic drop, minus 10%. We lost the support level. We mentioned it yesterday around the 700, so it melted. Clearly, there are many buyers at this area, but the moment we lost this support level, we just crashed it. Now, it feels like we are trying to hit this support level, but I don't know. I think this support level is not as incredible as the 700s support area, so I'm not that optimistic right now. What's more, Tesla is clearly weaker than indices. It is still doing lower highs, lower lows. We are quite far away from the EMA, and this drop has high volume. So this could be, again, could be, I don't know if it will, but it smells like an exhaustion bar to me, okay? What could confirm that this is an exhaustion bar? If we see an amazing reaction on Monday. If we don't see, well, Tesla will just keep dropping. There is nothing we can do about it. Just complain or wait or be neutral. If you are a long-term investor in Tesla, that's just fine. Tesla is still Tesla. It is still the same old Tesla. If anything changed because Tesla right now we are back to 2021 levels or even 2020 levels, okay, December 2020 levels. We are back more than 1 year and a half. But at Tesla, if anything changed in Tesla, is that the company improved in many ways. I see some people on the internet saying that Tesla should go to zero because it is not a good company, but fundamentally speaking, that's totally not true. Tesla is a good company, and fundamentally speaking, it is literally impossible for Tesla to fail. Let's study Tesla's fundamentals right now. Let's take a quick look on Simply Wall Street. If you want to have access to Simply Wall Street, click on my affiliate link in the description of this video to have that kind of analysis on your stocks. Now, according to Simply Wall, exceptional growth potential with outstanding track record. What's more, it has a flawless financial health, virtually flawless financial health. This is what's going to prevent Tesla from failing. Its short-term assets exceeds the short-term liabilities and the long-term liabilities as well. In fact, the short-term assets almost exceeds both short-term and long-term liabilities together. Almost exceeds both, all right? So I'm not even talking about the long-term assets. Tesla's debt to equity history, it's simply fantastic. Right now, Tesla has a very low debt to equity ratio, 9.7%. It has more cash than total debt. This company is incredibly strong. This is why it's 100% impossible to see Tesla failing. Okay, it's not. It's simply not. Now, is Tesla a good company? Well, it is a good company as well. If we look at its past performance, 76.1% historical annual earnings growth. Look at this chart over here. Look at the earnings curve and the revenue curve as well. It is simply amazing. Let's take a look at operating expenses. It is almost flat, right? This purple line is the operating expenses. It is almost flat. While the revenues and earnings curve, they're all growing amazingly well. So the company is indeed well managed and it has a flawless financial health. The real question is, Tesla could drop more because it is overvalued. Well, it could. In that argument, I'm gonna give you in your favor because it really could. But still, Tesla is an amazing company. Honestly, personally speaking, I don't know if Tesla is overvalued or not, but I know for a fact that it is a good company, especially if we compare against other companies that are cheaper companies, right? For instance, Tesla, okay, 87.5% price to earnings ratio. It has roughly $62 billion in revenues, $8 billion on earnings. Okay, great. Let's look Ford. Ford Motors, price to earnings ratio, 4.5x. Wow, that's very cheap, right? Well, it is funny because Ford literally sells 5 times more cars than Tesla. However, its revenue is roughly twice as Tesla's revenue. Okay, so this is a little bit weird, right? What's more, in terms of efficiency, Tesla is way superior than any other company like Ford, like General Motors, Toyota, Volkswagen, the other cheaper companies, the traditional automakers. Let's take a quick look at its net profit margin, 13.5%. Look at Ford, 8.59%. General Motors, 6.78%. Japanese Toyota, 9%. Wow, this one is a little bit better. Volkswagen, 7.25%. Tesla is way more efficient. It sells less cars, but still it has a decent revenue comparing to how many cars it sells. What's more, it does not need a gigantic amount of debt in order to have that kind of performance. Again, Tesla's debt to equity ratio is 9.7%. Look at Ford, 300%. If you wanna tell me that Tesla is going to zero, man, that's crazy. But if there is a company that literally could go to zero, is a company with a very high debt to equity ratio. Okay, General Motors 165%, Toyota 97%, Volkswagen 133%. Tesla is less than 10% debt to equity ratio. So its financial health, the way it is managed, its performance, its efficiency, everything here tells me that Tesla is indeed a great company. Now, the answer if it is overvalued or not, if it still is overvalued or not, I don't know. And honestly, if I had to give you a crystal clear answer, I would say, yes, I think Tesla is overvalued. This means that Tesla is a sell? Of course not. This overvaluation makes sense because we are talking about a very efficient company with an amazing growth potential. I mean, again, let's take a look at simply Wall Street future growth. Based on 25 analysts, this is an average of 25 analysts' estimative. It is supposed to grow its revenues 20% per year in the next 3 years. Give it 4 years and we are talking about a 2x company. It's gonna double its size in 4 years. So that kind of growth, it is simply amazing. That kind of efficiency, it is simply amazing. That financial health is totally unnatural for any other company. This is crazy. Tesla is a great company, and even if you consider that it is overvalued, that's okay. That makes sense because we are talking about, in my humble opinion, the best car maker company in the entire industry, probably in the entire world. Okay, so world. I'm so sorry. I have a hard time saying some words in English, guys. I'm so sorry. It's just my accent. Still, right now, in the short term, I do not believe Tesla is going to react right now. Okay, we have to wait. We have to wait for next week. Probably on Monday or on Tuesday, we'll see how this goes. But so far, I will be neutral in the short term. Okay, I think the scenario is very confusing. If you are a holder in Tesla, well, you have good reasons to remain as a holder, okay? Only good reasons. Despite the insane volatility, Tesla is still Tesla. Now, if you're out of Tesla and want to wait for a clear opportunity to buy, well, let's wait for next week, okay? Tesla is just a wait right now. Okay, my friends, I hope this video helped you guys. Remember to click on the subscribe button to keep in touch with my future analysis. Thank you very much for watching this video. Stay safe. Farewell.